Magandang buhay po at welcome sa aking channel. Ang channel po na kasama nyo sa inyong pag-aaral ngayon pong panahon ng pandemic. Ngayon po ay tuturuan ko po kayo on the right triangle similarity theorem. So, bibigyan ko po kayo ng illustrations and examples upang sa gayon ay maintindihan po ninyo yung lesson. Ginawa ko po itong Tagalog version or Taglish upang sa gayon ay maintindihan po ninyo yung aking pagpapaliwanag. At sa ating pong pagpapatuloy, click lamang po ang like and subscribe upang sa gayon ay ma-update po kayo sa iba pang video tutorial po na aking i-upload sa mga susunod. Sa ngayon po ay nagagawa po ako ng mga learning tasks at performance tasks ngayon pong third quarter. Okay, so ano nga ba ang right triangle similarity theorem? In any right triangle, the altitude to the hypotenuse divides the triangle into two right triangles, which are similar to each other and to the given right triangle. Okay, so para maintindihan po niyo yung kanyang definition, illustrate ko po sa inyo using figure. Okay, example po, right triangle ABC with altitude at point D. So yung si altitude, yan po ay perpendicular sa hypotenuse. Ano po? Kaya lagyan ko po yun ng right angle. Okay. So mayroon pong na-form dyan na similar triangles. Okay? Ito po yung na-form. Una, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Saan ba yung ADB? Yan po. So dalawa pong na-form na triangle, yung mas malaki, ay similar po dun sa original triangle. So yung blue, yung mas maliit, yung red, yun po yung original triangle. Okay. So yun po yung unang dalawang similar triangles. Okay, so ito naman po yung second pair of similar triangles. Triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Saan po yung BDC? Yan po yung mas maliit na triangle na na-form ay similar din po dun sa original triangle. Ano po? Okay, so at ito naman po yung third pair of similar triangles. Triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. So asan po yung ADB? Ayan po. Sa na-form pong triangle, yung mas malaki, ay similar po dun sa mas maliit na triangle na na-form. Okay po. So, yung dalawang triangles po na iyan ay similar din po to each other. Okay, so mula po dyan sa na-form na two right triangles from the original right triangle ay meron po tayong na-form na geometric mean. So, mahaba po yung kanyang definition. I-illustrate ko na lang po sa inyo using figure para maintindihan po ninyo. Okay, sabi po natin kanina, the two right triangles na na-form ay similar. So, if they are similar, then they are or the sides are proportional. Okay, so ito po yon. AD over BD is equal to BD over CD. Asan po yung geometric mean doon? Tingnan po natin sa figure. So, AD over BD is equal to BD over CD. So, ibig sabihin, if you notice, yung altitude BD ay naulit. Ano po? Ito po yun dun sa equation natin o sa proportion. So, meaning to say, ang tawag dyan ay geometric mean. Ano po? So, we can write this equation as BD square is equal to AD times CD. So, BD times BD is equal to BD square. So, yan po yung unang geometric mean or the altitude is a geometric mean. Okay, ito po yung pangalawang geometric mean. So, sabi po nga kanina, itong larger triangle na na-form ay similar to the original triangle. Ano po? So, therefore, corresponding sides are proportion. Okay, saan po yung proportion nila? AD over AB is equal to AB over AC. So, may naulit po ba dyan na side? Mayroon po, yun pong AB. So, yan po yung sa equation natin. So, therefore, AB is a geometric mean. So, we can write the other equation or simplify the equation as AB squared is equal to AD times AC. Okay, so ito po yung third geometric mean. The smaller triangle is similar to the original triangle. So, corresponding sides are proportion. So, CD over BC is equal to BC over AC. So, meron po ba dyan geometric mean o naulit na side? Meron po yung BC. So, we can write this one as BC squared is equal to CD times AC. Okay, so bibigyan ko po kayo ng examples of geometric mean in solving right triangles. Okay, number 1, using the figure below, right triangle ABC with altitude BD, AD is equal to 9, BC is equal to 4. Find the values of X, Y, and Z. If you notice, ang X, Y, and Z are sides of the right triangle. Okay, so unahin po natin for X. So ito po yung X natin at ito po yung given natin. So, using the geometric mean, yung X o yung AB ay isa po siyang geometric mean. So, ito po yung formula natin kanina. AB is equal to AD times AC. So, asan po yung AD? Yan po, given, 9. At asan po yung AC? Yan po, yung hypotenuse ng original triangle. So, yung AC po dyan is 9 plus 4. Ano po? So, kapag isubstitute natin, yung AB is X. So, X squared is equal to AD is 9 times yung AC po natin, yung mahaba po, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Ano po? And then, simplify. X squared is equal to 9 times 13 is 117. So, ang hinahanap po natin ay X. May X squared po yon. Tanggalin po natin by extracting square root to both sides of the equation. Ano po? Then simplify. Square root of X squared is X is equal to 117 is not a perfect square. So, pwede lang po nating isimplify yan. Ano po? So, to simplify, i-factor po natin. At yung isang factor po ay perfect square. So, ibalik po natin sa pananggalingan, 9 times 13. And 9 is a perfect square. Okay, so, X squared, ilabas po natin yung 9 na perfect square. Square root of 9 is 3. So, 3 square root of 13. So, yan na po yung value ng X. Okay, so for Y naman, okay, signan natin sa figure, ito po yung Y, at i-relate po natin sa dalawang given. Okay, so since ang BD po or altitude is a geometric mean, nasabi po natin kanina, BD square is equal to AD times CD. So ito po yung AD, ito po yung CD. Okay, substitute po natin. BD is Y, so Y squared is equal to AD is 9 times CD is 4. So, 9 times 4 is equal to 36. Again, extract square root to remove square of y. So, square root of y square is equal to y. And square root of 36 is equal to 6. So, this time, yung ating radicand ay perfect square. So, pwede po natin kaagad kunin yung kanyang square root. So, y is equal to 6. Okay, so for Z naman po tayo. Saan yung Z sa figure? Yan po. I-relate po natin again sa given. Okay, yung Z, sabi po natin kanina ay isang geometric mean. So, ito po yung formula niya. BC square is equal to DC times AC. So, since given po yan, makukuha po natin yung value ng Z. Okay, substitute. BC is Z. So, Z squared is equal to DC is 4 times AC is 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Okay? And then multiply 4 times 13 is equal to 52. Okay? Remove the square of Z by extracting square root to both sides of the equation. So, square root of Z square is equal to Z is equal to 52 is not perfect square. So, hindi po natin makukuha. But, we can simplify that one by removing the perfect root. Okay? So, factor po natin, and one of the factor is perfect square. So, balik po natin sa dati because 4 is a perfect square. And then, ilabas po natin yung perfect square na 4. So, square root of 4 is 2. So, 2 square root of 13. So, yan po yung value ng Z. Okay, so number 2 example po tayo. Find the value of M in the given figure below. Ito po yung figure. Okay, ang susolve po natin ay M. So, ito po yung M. I-relate po natin sa given. This is 2. And BD or altitude is equal to 4. So, meaning to say, ang geometric mean na gagamitin natin dyan ay yung altitude. So, ano po ba yung formula niya? BD square is equal to AD times DC. Ito po yun. Ano po? So, substitute lang po natin. What is BD? O yung altitude, that is 4. So, 4 square. Kasi BD square po yun. Is equal to what is AD? AD is equal to M. And what is DC? That is equal to 2. So, M times 2. And then, simplify to solve for M. So 4 square is 16 is equal to m times 2 is 2m. And then, since m ang sinusolve natin, may kasamang 2, divide 2 to both sides of the equation to cancel 2. Ano po? So, 16 divided by 2 is 8 is equal to, ang matitira na lang po doon ay m. So, 8 is equal to m or m is equal to 8. So, yan na po yung value ng m. Okay, so number 3 example po tayo. If AD is equal to x minus 1, DC is equal to x plus 4, and BD is equal to x plus 1. Find x and the measure of AD. So, yan po yung sa figure. Nakalagay na po yung given. Ano po? So, sabi po niya, ang solve po natin ay the value of x and the measure of AD. Okay. So, unahin po natin yung value ng x. So, ito po yung given, yung kanya pong altitude. At meron pong given na nasa hypotenuse ng original triangle. So, ang gagamit po natin dyan ay geometric mean. Ano po? Using the altitude. So, ang formula niyan po kanina ay BD square is equal to AD times DC. Okay? Substitute po natin, what is BD? BD is x plus 1. And then, square po yung BD, kaya x plus 1 square is equal to, what is AD? X plus 4 times DC is x minus 1. Okay? Multiply and simplify. So, x plus 1 square is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Tama po ba? Okay, tama po. Is equal to x plus 4 times x minus 1 is what? X squared plus 3x minus 4. Tama po ba yung ating product? 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3x. And then 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Okay, tama po. And then simplify. Pagsamahin po natin lahat sa left side. Ano po? Then equate natin sa 0. So yung x, itabi na po na, yung x squared, tabi na po natin doon sa x squared sa left. So x squared minus x squared. And then yung 2x plus 2x, meron pong 3x sa kabila, pag nilipat minus 3x. Ano po? And then yung plus 1, meron pong minus 4 sa kabila, itabi po natin, plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay? Subtract natin or i-add. X squared minus x squared, 0. Wala na po yan. Then ito naman, 2x minus 3x is negative x or negative 1x. Plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Is equal to 0. Since ang sinsolve po natin ay value ng x, ihiwalay po natin sa x yung 5, transpose. So negative x is equal to positive 5 magiging negative 5. Since pareho po silang negative, okay, pwede po natin convert pareho sa positive. So, x is equal to 5. So, yan na po yung value ng x. Okay? So, for AD naman tayo, since nasolve na po natin that the value of x is equal to 5, masosolve na po natin yan yung AD. So, AD, ang measurement po niya ay x plus 4. So, just substitute. AD is equal to, what is x? 5 plus 4. And then add, AD is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So, the measurement of AD is equal to 9. Okay, salamat po sa inyong panood. Nawa po ay natulungan ko po kayo sa inyong aralin. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.